Pero bago tayo magsimula, huwag kalimutang i-like ang aming video, mag-subscribe sa aming channel at i-turn on ang notification bell. Now you won't miss any of our new videos. Don't forget to give us a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to click.
Hello guys! Andito na kami sa apartment. Good afternoon. Ay, good morning. Good afternoon. Guys, andito kami guys ba? Oh, tinignan namin yung apartment. Bali before kasi nung pumunta ako dito mag-isa ako kaya ngayon andito naman si Habi. Tingnan namin yung apartment. Tingnan nyo yung area guys, so maganda dito. Tahimik ba? Tingnan nyo yung mga area guys, tahimik. Hi, ma'am. Kumusta? Ay, nala din na ito yung mama mo? Nala. My love, come here. May akong bana, ma'am, ay. Tingnan namin sa loob, guys. Na, look at my love. They have bed. Hindi na may pa ng light. Ayan guys.
You will be using stove, rice cooker, and microwave. That's the 16,000.
Meron sila dito yung TV. Hello guys, tumingin kami dito kasama ko si Habi na. Gusto niya makita ang apartment. Ayan. Monthly daw dito ba yung friends? Ayan. 10,000 siya guys. Kaya lang yung toilet. Yung bowl nila dito. 30 daw. Eh, meron pa siyang mga ganito. Tinitested ni Habi yung especially that one in the television. That one. In this aircon. Ikaw, sabihin na kami lang. Sabihin lang, sabihin na. Hi guys, may kami television. Chicken sandwich wala. Brianna, ikaw makita si Brianna. Ara, ara ka dito eh. Main kami dito. Labis talaga ang Jollibee, ang sarap. So ayan guys, nandito na kami guys. Ang init. I'll show you here inside. This Colinas, ma? Colinas? Ma? Kuna, this is Colinas? Colinas. So ayan yung ano niya guys. So, dinay na to para dili kayo mag-vlog at mag-vlog at itong camera. Ayan. Ano yan dyan oh? Ano yan dyan? Ano yan dyan? Andyan palang area guys, so dyan. Dyan magkain mga visitors. My love, that's the area, oh, the reception. That's our second reception there, here. The area. These people, they are visiting here only. Yan, ganyan guys. So, dito yung area nila.
After that we shower. After that we take
Yeah,
a
but
shower.
we're looking for clearing. It's not possible. We're looking the ground. But they are cleaning here. They are cleaning here. This is not the final, but they are designed here. They are cleaning.
But Catholic is that.
It's nice here guys. Kaya meron sa swimming pool. Oh.
After that we jump in the.
Yeah. But you pay here swimming pool 50 pesos. 50 pesos. Yeah. Mas better here no kay have swimming pool. But hindi ba tamaligo po na lang kasal? So it's nice that there's swimming pool here guys. Those people they are picture here. But this is guys this is not package, they were looking catering pa. It's nice here. Balik lang ta diri may maligo ta pwede man no? Yeah.
But in the other than
So yun guys, ang area ng Colinas. Meron siyang swimming pool, yung area doon, yung sa catering area, yun yung looking doon sa Colinas. So titingnan na naman natin dito sa Lex Forum kung ano yung available nila dito ba, kung ano yung gaganda ng kanilang venue dito, kung ano yung package nila. So we'll see, so tingnan natin. Mo din ay. Dito guys, dito yung kinasal yung dra ang ila mag-make up. Ay, oh dahil. Adri oh. Ay, diri man din sila ang kulato. Ay, dito din. Katong area oh. Wala ko na remember. So dito yung kinasal yung uncle ko guys. Titingnan natin dito kung magkano ba talaga. Yan yung Bermuda nila. Ay, pero hindi sa original Bermuda gang? Ah, dili. Agad guys, ang ganda ng Bermuda nila. Ay, sorry. The venue. No. 50 bucks. Dari ah? This area. Ay, init mo? Ah, this area, my love. This area is 7,000. I think is 130 euro, something like that.
You have additional 7,000 for this area.
So ito yung second venue na tinignan namin guys. So dito kinasal yung ang cake. Tingnan natin sa loob. Here oh! Here! Ito yung ganyan nila babe. And let's tuloy na natin sa loob. Kailan yung 50 bucks nila? Ano sa
50 to 80 ni Dri ma'am kasi
50? Apa di mana maabot to? No, look at guys. The area. Yan yung area nila, maganda siya. Ganda yung area guys. Uwi siguro ako. Yung table nila, ayan, yung sharing, yung glass. Look at. Ang ganda guys. Ito yung kanilang front venue here design. And ito yung table nila. Ayan. Ayan. So maganda siya guys. Okay. What do you think here, my love? 50 person here. 50 person here. Included. Picture muna tayo dito guys. Oh.
Sa Amelia.
Win, picture tabi pwede, Win? So, na, uy, picture lang man. Nasya eh.
Damay lang ang buhos. Ay, kuya.
Here. Unti lang ang nabawas guys. 50 person lang yung afford namin ba?
Ano no, from 70 to 52 sudah.
62,500. If not included the videographer, photographer, and ano like that.
100,000, it will be
62,500.
But I have